Hi students, good morning. How are you? Okay. So now continuation of atomic structure. Before class I explained quantum numbers. Quantum numbers four types: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. So principal quantum number denoted by small n. It gives the size of the orbit and energy level. Azimuthal quantum number was proposed by Sommerfeld. It gives the shape of the orbital and representation of subsets. It depends on the principal quantum number. Magnetic quantum number, proposed by Landé. It explains the J1 and the Stark effect. Magnetic quantum number gives the orientation of orbitals in the space. It depends on the azimuthal quantum number. The m values are range plus L to minus L, including 0. Spin quantum number, Uhlenbeck and Goldsmith proposed. It gives the electron spin direction. If clockwise, plus of, anti-clockwise, minus of. So these are quantum numbers yesterday explained. Now today energy of orbitals. Energy of orbitals generally the energy of electron in hydrogen atom is determined by principal quantum number. The energy of an electron in hydrogen atom is determined by principal quantum number. But in multi-electron species, the energy of an electron in multi-electron atom is based on the principal quantum number and azimuthal quantum number. Magnetic quantum number indicates the number of degenerate levels. If orbital having certain m value cannot accommodate more than 2 electrons. So write down. So the energy of electron is given by n plus L value. The energy of electron is given by n plus L value. Here n equal to principal quantum number, L equal to azimuthal quantum number. Suppose, the energy of electron is given by n plus L value. Orbital having lowest n plus L value, that is a first. So two orbitals having same n plus L value. The orbital having lowest n value is first enter into the orbital. So if two orbitals having same n plus L value, which orbital having lowest n value, first electron enter into that level. So first one is energy of orbitals. Generally energy of orbitals, first, the energy of an electron in hydrogen atom is determined by principal quantum number. Principal quantum number is represented by symbol small m. So write down the energy of an electron is determined by principal quantum number. Principal quantum number yesterday explained. Generally quantum numbers are four types: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. Principal quantum number is denoted by symbol n, small n. It gives the size of the orbit and energy level. So write down first the energy of an electron in hydrogen atom. The energy of an electron in hydrogen atom is determined by principal quantum number. The energy of an electron in hydrogen atom is determined by principal quantum number. Okay. Next another one is the energy levels. The energy levels of orbitals is as follows. The energy levels of orbitals is as follows. First one is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p are equal to 3d. Next 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f like that. First 1s orbital less, 2s 2p both are general nearest. 3s 3p 3d and 4s 4p 4d and 4. The energy of an electron in hydrogen atom is determined by principal quantum number. Principal quantum number means small m. The energy level of orbitals is as follows: 1s 2s 2p 3s 3p 3d 4s 4p 4. Generally 1s orbital is less, 2s 2p equal, and these are energy levels. The energy levels of orbitals is as follows. Okay. Next one is in multi-electron species, the energy of an electron in multi-electron atoms is depends on the principal and azimuthal quantum number. So write down this point. Next point. The energy of an electron in multi-electron atom is based on principal and azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. The energy of an electron in multi-electron atom is based on principal and azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number means small l. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum number represents the, indicates the number of degenerate levels. Number of degenerate levels. Magnetic quantum number indicates the number of degenerate levels. Orbital having certain m value. Orbital having certain m value. M means magnetic quantum number. Cannot accommodate more than 2 electrons. Orbital having certain m value. Here m means magnetic quantum number. Orbital having certain particular m value cannot accommodate more than 2 electrons. So these are some important information in energy of orbitals. Very important point. The energy of electron is given by formula n plus L value. The energy of electron is given by n plus L value. Here n equal to principal quantum number, L equal to azimuthal quantum number. Orbital having lowest n plus L value, the electron first enter into this orbital. So the orbital having lowest n plus L value, that is first energy level, that is the lowest energy level. Okay. The energy of electron is given by n plus L value. Here n means principal quantum number. L means azimuthal quantum number. Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number. So if orbitals having lowest n plus L value, that is a first energy level. That is the lowest energy level. So if orbital having plus L value, then it is lowest energy level, lowest orbital, lowest energy level, lowest energy level, lowest energy level. For example, I am taking, suppose 2p is there, 2s is there. Here n plus L value 2 plus 1 3. Here 2 plus 0 2. Which one is first? So 2s first, lowest energy. 2s is less than 2, 2p like that. Here 2p orbital 2 plus 1. We know p orbital L value 1, s orbital L value 0. So among 2p and 3s, which orbital having lowest n plus L level, that is a lowest energy level. If orbital having lowest n plus value, then it is lowest energy level. Next, if two orbitals having same n plus L value, if two orbitals having same n plus L value, which orbital having lowest n value, that is first lowest energy level. Another point, when two orbitals having same n plus L value, if two orbitals having same n plus L value, the orbital having lowest n value, that is lowest energy level. The orbital having lowest n value, that is lowest energy level. Lowest energy level orbital. When two orbitals having same n plus value, the orbitals having lowest n value, which orbital having lowest n value, that is lowest. Which orbital having? When two orbitals having same n plus L value, which orbital having lowest n value, that is lowest energy level orbital. For example, now I am taking 3D and 4p is there. Here n plus L value how much? 3 plus 2 5. Here 4 plus 1 5. Here n plus L value equal to 4 plus 1 5. Among which one is lowest number? Which one is lowest number? N value, importance n value. That means here n equal to 3, here n equal to 4. That means 3D. So 3D is less than to 4p, like that. Okay? So these are energy levels. Next one is energies of orbitals. Energies of orbitals in the same subcell decreases with increase in atomic number. For example, 2s orbital of first group elements. Understand my point? Energies of orbitals in a same subcells decreases with increase in atomic number. For example, I am taking first group elements. Energies of orbitals in a same subcells decreases with increase in atomic number. With increase in atomic number. Example, 2s orbitals of 1a group elements. Here, energy of 2s orbital of hydrogen is greater than 2. Energy of 2s orbital of hydrogen, lithium, or energy of 2s orbital of sodium, or energy of 2s orbitals of potassium, like that. Actually, hydrogen 2s not there. Actually, hydrogen is greater than 2s of lithium. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, like that. So, energy of orbitals in a same subcell. Energies of orbitals in a same subcells decreases with increase in atomic number. 2s orbitals of 1a group elements. Actually, hydrogen not there. Hydrogen does not contain 2s orbital. That's just concept. Okay, so these are different types of energies of orbitals. Aufbau principle. Aufbau principle. It is a German word. It means that building up. The electrons always occupy the orbitals having lowest energy level in ground state. The electrons always occupy the orbitals having lowest energy level in ground state. It is depends on the n plus L value. N plus L value. So these are orbitals generally order 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 3d next 4s, 3d, 3s, so 3p, 4s, 3d next 4p, 4p next 5s next 4d next 6s next 5p next 4f next 4f4. Next 7s, like that. 5p next to 5d. Next to 6s, like that. Okay, so these are Aufbau principle. Okay, these are energy levels. These are depends on the Euler diagram actually. So Aufbau principle means the electrons always occupy the orbitals having lowest energy level in first ground state. It is depends on the n plus L value. Okay, so Aufbau means it is a German word. It means that building up. Write down. It is a German word. It is a German word. It means building up. Statement: electrons always occupies the orbitals having lowest energy level. Electrons always occupies the orbitals having lowest energy level in ground state. It is a German word. It means building up. Electrons always occupies the orbitals having lowest energy level in the first, lowest energy level in the first, in ground state, in the first ground state. If orbitals having lowest n plus value, that is lowest energy level. If orbitals having lowest n plus L value, then the orbital is lowest energy level orbital. Okay, so write down simply Aufbau principle. It is a building up. The electrons always occupy the orbitals having lowest energy level in the first, in ground state. It is depends on the orbitals having lowest n plus L value, that is a lowest energy level orbitals. Next one, the increasing order of energy levels of orbitals. Energy levels of orbitals is as follows. First 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, next 4s, 3d, 4p, next 5s, after that 5s just, okay, 5s, next that 4p is greater than 2, 5s next 4s, 4p, 4d, 5s next 5p, 4d next 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 7s, like that. So write down these orbital energy levels. Write down. In this order, one supply n plus L value, all are equal. Suppose n plus L value 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 0, both are equal, but n value lowest 3 4, they are first, like that. Okay, next I will write orbital energy level diagram, Moyler diagram, orbital energy level diagram. They are visible. Last one. Okay. Here n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, n equal to 7, n equal to 8. Here these are 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s, 7p, 8s. Here like that. Lost. Okay, like that. So these are energy level diagrams. They are Moyler diagram. Here L equal to 0, L equal to 1, L equal to 2, L equal to 3. L equal to 0 means S orbital, P orbital, D orbital, like that. Okay, write down. 1s is less than 2s, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s. After 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4d, 5p, 6s. And the next after 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s. Next 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s, like that. Okay? So these are Moyler diagram or energy level diagram. And these are Moyler diagram or energy level diagram. It is a Moyler diagram. Moyler diagram or energy level diagram. Moyler diagram. Moyler diagram or energy level diagram. Write down. One s less than to 2s, 1s, so 2s, so 2p, 3s, so 3p, 3p next to 4s, 3D, 4P, 5S, 4D, 5P, 6S, 4F, 5D, 6P, 7S, like that. Okay, students. Next term. Pauli's exclusion. Pauli's exclusion principle or Pauli's principle. Pauli's principle or Pauli's exclusion principle. No two electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. No two electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. For example, that meaning I am taking any orbital 2 electrons. These 2 electrons not equal to 4 quantum numbers. So at least 3 quantum numbers are equal. Now I am taking best example. 2 electrons in s orbital. Same values of n, l, m. Principal quantum number, idental quantum number, magnetic quantum number same, but not spin quantum number. But not spin quantum number. So that is a Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle means no 2 electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. 4 quantum numbers. So that is a Pauli's exclusion principle. Write down statement. No 2 electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. 4 quantum numbers. 4 quantum numbers. 4 quantum numbers. For two electrons in two electrons in an orbital having same n, l and m values but different s value. S means spin quantum number. For 2 electrons in an orbital having same n, l and m values but different s value. Now I am taking one orbital, 2 electrons. Principal quantum number, idental quantum number, magnetic quantum number same, but the spin quantum number different. For example, now I am taking, write down statement. For example, 2 electrons in 2s orbital. 2s orbitals. 2 electrons in 2s orbital. 2 electrons in 2s orbital. They are clockwise, these are anti-clockwise. Here 2s orbital. Here n value 2. Here L value 0, M value 0, S equal to plus of, sorry here, write down first. R2s orbital. First electron. Okay. These are so first electron. Their first electron. Second electron. N equal to 1, L equal to 0, M equal to 0, S equal to minus of. 1 see, these are 1s, here 1s. First electron, second electron. I am saying second electron. Okay, second electron is like that. Okay, here first electron N1 0. Here once compare 1 0 0, 1 0 0. Here plus of or minus of. So these are first electron, these are second electron. That means electrons are not considered. Okay, so write down that also. R symboling. Another example. For 2s orbital. Okay. For first electron. Okay. N, L, M, S. Here N 2, 0, 0 plus of. For second electron. Anyone correct? First we confuse unte second column. Both are same. Second electron. N equal to 2, L equal to 0, M equal to 0. But S equal to minus of. S equal to minus of. S equal to minus of. Anyway, simple, better. 2 electrons in 2s orbitals. 2 electrons in 2s orbital. For 2s orbital, first electron and second electron. I am applying first electron. Once. No 2 electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum number. For example, in 2s orbital, so compared to all quantum numbers, if N, L, M same but S different. Once you observe, in 2s orbital, మనం 2s orbital తీసుకుంటున్నాం. మన 2s orbital first electron ఉంటుంది, second electron ఉంటుంది. In 2s orbital, first electron and second electron I consider. So from the concept, in 2s orbital, first electron, 4 quantum numbers, 2, 0, 0 plus of. In 2s orbital, second electron, quantum numbers, 2, 0, 0 minus of. So compared to first electron and second electron, first 3 quantum numbers are equal, but last quantum number different. That is a Pauli's exclusion principle. That is a Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle means No two electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum number. That is Pauli's exclusion principle. I am taking 2s orbital, 2 cases. Here 2s orbital first electron, 2s orbital second electron. First electron quantum number so 2 0 0 plus second electron quantum number so 2 0 0 minus compared to first one and second one, first three quantum numbers are equal, but last spin quantum number different. That is a so Pauli's exclusion principle. Okay, students, my dear students, enough. So remaining concept tomorrow I will explain. Remaining concept tomorrow I will explain. And another rule also is there, another small point. Bohr-Bury rule. B-U-R-Y. Bohr-Bury rule. Bohr-Bury rule means if subcells having lowest n plus L value, it is filled first. If subcells having lowest n plus L value, filled in first. That is a Bohr-Bury rule. If subcells having lowest n plus L value, first filled. If subcells having lowest n plus L value, first filled in it. First filled in it. For example, I am taking example. 4s orbital is there. 4p orbital is there. 4s, 4p orbital is there. In this case, 4s orbital means 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Which one first? These are first, these are next. Simply 4s is less than to 4p. Or 4s to 3d. 3 plus 2, 5. That means first to 4s, so next to 3d, like that. Bohr-Bury rule. If subcells having lowest n plus value, first filled in it. Okay, so these are Bohr-Bury rule. Okay, my dear students, today enough. Remaining concept next class I will explain. Okay, my dear students, thank you for all.